The module feed display allows you to display a RSS feed on your website from a specific news source or any other source for that matter that's got a feed. So on the top right, you'll notice you've got save, save and close, save and new, and cancel on the help button. Here we've got, for this specific module, we've got the title of the module. Are we going to show the title of the module, the position of the module, the status, is it published or not, access levels, the ordering of the module in this specific position. If you've got multiple modules in the same position, you're going to want to order them one on top of the other perhaps. You can start publishing on a specific date and stop publishing it on another. It's not required to have a finished publishing date. You're going to want to give it a start publishing date. You can choose the language. You can leave yourself a note regarding this specific module. Towards the bottom, we've got the menu assignment. What page do we want this thing to show up on? So currently you'll notice that we've got picked on there's a lot of pages here that it's going to show up on because they're all selected. And again, a little trick here is to click no pages first, and that unselects everything. And then we want to go only on pages selected, because we may just want this module to show up on these 2 or these 3 pages. So in selecting no pages first, we effectively clear all the selections throughout all of our menus that are published. And now we can start saying, oh, we only want to show this on pages that we select, and now we can come click through here. So we also can clear the selection, or we can toggle the selection by clicking these buttons here. On this specific menu, we can clear the selection, and we can toggle all the selection using these buttons as well. And we want to clear the selections. And here once you've assigned that, on the top right here, we got a couple other settings. You want to put your feed URL right in here. This is the display feed in right to left direction, RTL feed, yes or no. We've got a feed title. Do you want to display the news feed or not? Do you want to display the feed description? Do you want to display the feed image? And enter the number of RSS items to display. So if you were, let's say, pulling from Google News in a specific category and it showed 27 items in that category, you say, you know what, we only want to show 7. We don't want to show their image because that's going to blow the layout. And we want to limit the word count. The description, we'll let it come in, but when it pulls in the description for this RSS feed, we want it to limit to 150 characters, or 150 words, pardon me. And that's how you would display that. And then you can hit save. If we hit save up here, it will effectively save this item. Then we can open up another tab and we can preview what all these changes look like. And the usefulness of that is because you might display the feed description, but then when you save it and publish it, the feed description might be too long, and so you might have to tinker back and forth with how showing the title, showing the description, showing the image or not, and how many items, and obviously the word count, how that affects the layout of your page when you're pulling in those feeds. So, and then underneath advanced options, we've got the default layout. Use a different layout from the supplied module or overrides in the template. And here's where your module class suffix comes in. If you wanted to change the way that this module looks, this is the CSS that's applied to the specific module. You can create customized CSS styles that will apply just to this module. And then you're going to need to go modify the template.css file and come and put the class right in here. And once you do that, this template will take on the characteristics of that CSS that you've put into the template.css file. So I hope that was helpful.